Welcome to MClax TV, where we keeping it real. As you enjoy this video, don't forget to drop your thought on the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Banxa, a Web3 on/off-ramp solution, has announced that it has integrated MetaMask, the most popular self-custody Web3 wallet. Thanks to this integration, MetaMask users worldwide will have access to mainstream payment options for buying cryptocurrency, including credit cards and Apple Pay. Users in Canada can also make crypto purchases with fewer hassles by using Banxa's Interac online banking option. Additionally, MetaMask users in the Netherlands, Australia, South Africa and Turkey now have access to Banxa's crypto on-ramps via their respective banking infrastructures. Initially, this feature will only be accessible through the MetaMask mobile app, but in the next few weeks, it will be available on the browser extension. As a key gateway to the decentralized ecosystem, including wallets, DeFi, gaming, NFT marketplaces and more, MetaMask, through this integration will be able to draw more people to adopt blockchain technology. Banxa offers merchants a safe and regulated method of accepting cryptocurrency payments from their customers. It has made it easier to transact across Web3's global financial system, keeping transaction fees low and conversion rates for alternative payment methods, APMs, kept high. It also handles all the necessary legwork for regulatory compliance, making the KYC processes easier and quicker for MetaMask users. Furthermore, Banxa bridges between SaFi and DeFi, and also allows users to access their money with ease. Banxa customers in the Netherlands, South Africa, Turkey, and Australia can now make payments using their preferred local payment methods without worrying about the fees typically associated with cross-border transfers. Credit card conversion has also become easier and transaction fees for customers are lower, thanks to Banxa's local acquiring licenses in some regions. The addition of APM has opened up a slew of new payment methods for those using MetaMask, including PayID, Poly and Ideal. Banxa already supports a wide range of APMs, such as Brazil's Pix, ACH in the United States, the European SEPA and more. Thanks for watching and keep your notification button on for more videos. Feel free to drop your thought on the comment section below, and also subscribe to my channel. And one more thing before I forget, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Let love leads.